On behalf of the Social Security System, I wish to welcome you all to today's relaunching of the enhanced SSS mobile app. Launched in 2018, the SSS mobile app is envisioned to provide members with SSS information at their fingertips. At the time when mobile apps were starting to evolve from mere gaming or simple banking transactions, the SSS mobile app was a forerunner for government agencies to provide instant information and transactions to its constituents. As you know, the SSS mobile app is free for all smartphone users and can be downloaded via the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, and Huawei App Gallery. The SSS recorded nearly 60 million SSS mobile app transactions for the entire 2020. Interestingly, this figure is 5 times more than almost 12 million transactions recorded in the preceding year. Application downloads in the entire 2020 reached about 7.38 million, which is a huge 221% increase from the nearly 2.30 million downloads recorded in 2019. For the enhanced mobile app that we are relaunching today, one of the key drivers is the pressing need for non-contact service channels in the light of COVID-19 and the economic difficulties, limited physical mobility that it has caused. The SSS has had to work double time in pushing to the fore its online transactions, whether through its my.sss portal in the SSS website or through this SSS mobile app, especially in providing ease, speed, and convenience to our members and employers. As the whole world learns to live and cope with the new normal, institutions such as the SSS are adapting as well. This enhanced mobile app, which we developed with Exacta Inc., is a step in the right direction in providing efficient and effective government service, even without face-to-face transaction. Thank you again for this opportunity, and I look forward to your questions during the open forum later. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
Advancements in information technology pave the way to technological progress. One of those advancements is the development of mobile applications on our smartphones that entertain us, inform us, and help us deal with our important daily undertakings. All that at our fingertips. In 2018, the Social Security System launched the SSS mobile app for its members and employers anywhere in the world. Designed to provide timely and convenient online access to members' records and SSS information, the SSS mobile app quickly shot to the top of the most downloaded mobile application for productivity. Since then, it has maintained its lead as a top downloaded mobile app. With the COVID-19 pandemic and the ensuing new normal, SSS is pleased to introduce the enhanced mobile app. With improved and added features, the new SSS mobile app now has a more user-friendly and responsive interface for a more convenient and secure experience anytime and anywhere. Let us have a closer look at those improved and added features for our members and employers. Once you log in, you will see your home dashboard containing the following: welcome greeting with your name and SS number. Slide right to access the side drawer, which has the links to your active and enrolled disbursement accounts, documentary requirements, terms of service, feedback, release notes, SSS social media accounts, and help. Sliding and banner ads, activity history, floating access button, quick access buttons linking to the SSS branch locator, generate PRN, inbox notification, and members profile. Once you log out, you will be asked for an optional exit survey, which will help us improve the features of the app further. Just a reminder, always keep your usernames and passwords secure and confidential. Unscrupulous individuals or groups may take advantage of this convenience and put your personal information at risk. So download or update the SSS mobile app on your mobile device now. The SSS mobile app is a part of Express. Mas pinadali, mas pinasimple, mas pinabilis.